Hey there, welcome to the video. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm actually going to go through how long it took me to get monetized on YouTube as a small YouTuber. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to stick around because I'm going to be going through a lot of information, and I'm also going to be sharing with you how much I've made since I've been monetized. But if you're new here, hey guys, my name is Jeff. And this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And so those are the type of videos that I've been posting on this channel. Specifically, I've been doing videos on how to make money self-publishing with Amazon KDP. And so a lot of my audience comes from that niche of the make money online / finance world. So if you just stumbled upon this video and you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you just want to know how long it takes to get monetized, well then stick around because I'm going to be sharing you my top tips on how to streamline the process so that you can get monetized even faster than I did. So a little bit of backstory. I started this channel back in 2019. And that was my first time starting a YouTube channel and uploading videos. And I was still back then in the make money online niche, but I was doing videos and trying to get them viral. And I remember I was doing videos every single day. And so after like 2 or 3 weeks, I just got burnt out and I didn't post anymore after that until fast forward into 2023 of January, so last year. So fast forward to January of 2023, I started to create videos on KDP and how to make money self-publishing low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. I started to make 2 videos a week and was consistent with that, but at the end of March, for whatever reason, I just stopped producing videos. Maybe I got burnt out. Maybe I wasn't taking it as seriously as I should have. But from April until January of this year, I only created 1 video. And so basically 2023, I'm going to show you all of my analytics, but I'm not going to really include that in how long it took me to get monetized on YouTube. I'm only going to start from January 1st of this year because now it's May 13th as I'm filming this video. From January of this year to May, I'm going to show you how long it took me to get monetized on YouTube as a small YouTuber. So now let's talk about monetization requirements. So in order to be eligible to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 365 days. Or to have 10 million public short views within the past 90 days. But I don't do shorts, so I'm just going to talk about the 4,000 public watch hours. So getting to the 1,000 subscriber mark is actually not that difficult. You'll actually probably hit it first before you even get to your 4,000 public watch hours. I know for me, I already had a couple hundred subscribers starting back in 2019. I got a few more last year. And so I already reached the 1,000 subscriber mark fairly quickly, but it took me a while to get to the 4,000 public watch hours because it takes into consideration the last 12 months as opposed to the subscribers where it's just the overall subscribers that you have. Now, once you've successfully gotten the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours within the past year, YouTube is going to send you an email saying that you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which now you can earn money from your content and have additional benefits like copyrighted protection tools and access to the creator support team. And so as you can see with mine, I got this email April 29 of 2024. I was actually on vacation at this time. And so to receive this email was really exciting for me because it means all of my hard work had paid off and I'm finally able to monetize my channel and start earning some kind of revenue on it. So at this point, YouTube's going to ask you to create an Adsense account or connect an existing one. And this is how you're going to get paid through Adsense. And this is where you're going to have to verify who you are and that you're the real person because they're going to be sending you a PIN to your address that you listed on file that you're going to need to verify in YouTube. Now, this is where I'm getting into issues, is because when I got into the YouTube Partner Program, instead of creating a brand new AdSense account, I already had one. So I connected it, but I didn't realize that a long time ago when I made this AdSense account, I made it as a business AdSense account, not a personal. And so as of right now, I haven't been able to verify myself. And so I have to actually wait 32 days from the day that I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program to be able to swap out the AdSense account. But if you didn't know, you have 45 days from the day that you were accepted into the YouTube Partner Program to verify the PIN, or basically verify yourself, or you're probably gonna be taken out of the YouTube Partner Program and have to reapply in 30 days. But once you've been successfully verified and you get that famous PIN envelope in the mail, you put that into YouTube and everything goes good, then you have completed everything with the YouTube Partner Program in order to get paid. And then YouTube pays once a month at the end of the month on the 21st. And so once you set up your direct deposit and your bank and all that stuff, then you will start getting paid once a month, every month, as long as you keep making videos and you continue to satisfy those requirements of the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours within 365 days, which if you just stay consistent, it's not going to be a problem at all. So that being said, let's check out my analytics. So these are my analytics for the last 28 days, but let's go back into 2023 just to show you where I started. So as you can see in 2023, I did not post my first video until January 31st, and I started posting twice a week. And then you can see there's some views coming in, and then the first spike right here on February 26th. And so basically from January 31st to February 26th, almost a month that I was just producing videos and just had very little views, but just kept producing. I had my first spike right here, and then I kept producing. Then I had a bigger spike right here on March 22, 2023. Of 1,300 views. And then as you can see right around April, beginning of April, my views just died and they just flatlined. And that's because that's when I stopped producing videos. You see there's no more videos here up until this one right here, May 18th, 2023 was the only video that I produced for the rest of the year. If we look at watch time hours, you can see that it just basically flatlined. So for the whole year, I only was able to get 1.2 thousand watch time hours and 573 subscribers. So if we go to 2024 right now, so you can see the graph is still pretty flat here. I started producing videos January 6th, and I started doing 2 videos a week. And for a couple weeks up until February 7th, it was pretty much flat with one spike right here. But then I started to get more spikes, as you can see here. Here's all the consistency, as you can see on my graph here. And then there were more spikes and spikes right there. And then starting in March, I decided to do 3 videos a week. So this is where I started to see a bigger spike. And then it just has kept continuing to grow and grow. So in all of 2024 so far, I'm at 76,900 views. I have 5,400 watch hours, 2.4 thousand subscribers. If we look at the past 90 days, we can see in the past 90 days, I've reached 5,100 hours and 70,000 views. So what I did to try to find how long it took me to get to 4,000 watch hours is I just went here to custom, and I'm gonna start here, do January 1st. And then for this one, I got monetized April 29. So I'm just going to choose 29 right here. And let's see. I have 4.3. So let me just go and go back a little bit to the 27th. And right here, I have 4,000 watch hours right here. And I already had 1,000 subscribers, so that wasn't an issue. So from January 1st to April 27th. So it took me almost 5 months to get the 4,000 watch hours. And my best performing videos of that time frame would be this one that I produced last year in 2023. This is actually my all-time best performing video so far. I believe it has almost 30,000 views. And then you can see all the other videos that make up the watch time hours and the views. Now I know you've been waiting to see how much I've made, So let's go ahead and see exactly how much I made since I got monetized. So in total, how much I've made since I've been monetized is $138.11. As you can see, I got monetized April 29th, so I made $7 that day. And then April 30th, I made $16.87, $10.45. And so my lowest, I believe, was $5.72. And my highest was the $16.87. But as you can see, here's my graph right here. And then if we look at the performance, so for 36,500 views, my revenue for every 1,000 views, or my RPM, is $3.79. And I'm not sure if that's high or low. I feel like it's low for my niche, but I also know that in the beginning of when you get monetized, YouTube still has to learn your channel and how to monetize it. And so your RPMs will actually be lower in the beginning and will start to increase as the time goes on. My best performing video in terms of AdSense is this video right here on how to make $3,495 a month with KDP activity book niche. But what you can see is that my AdSense is kind of evenly distributed. I don't actually have one that is much more than the other. And so all my videos are doing fairly well. So my CPM is right here, $20.87. So that's basically what advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. The RPM is what I receive for every 1,000 views. Now, $138 might not seem like a lot right now, but as the channel continues to grow, it's going to add up and it's going to get bigger and bigger. And it's not just that, I don't really depend on the actual AdSense revenue because my channel also has other ways of being monetized. For example, affiliate links, as well as products that I sell myself. And so the AdSense revenue is just a bonus. But really, it's just a great feeling to know that I've been monetized and I'm part of the YouTube Partner Program. So a couple tips if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel or you're having trouble getting to the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. I would say number one is to be super specific with your niche, meaning the topic that you're going to be talking about on your YouTube channel has to be specific. It can't be broad, it can't be general, because then YouTube's going to have a hard time trying to promote it to a wide range of audience. The more specific you are about your topic, the better the chance that YouTube is going to be able to promote it to the right type of people. Number two, and this is what helped me a lot to get the watch time hours faster, is to start creating videos that are longer. When I mean longer, I mean 15 to 20 minutes as opposed to 8 to 12 minutes. The longer the video, in my experience, the higher my average view duration. And so as your view duration increases, it actually will increase your watch time hours significantly. And this is what happened to me. So I would suggest to create longer videos. And then number three is to stay consistent, be consistent, and consistently post. If you're going to post once a week, stick to that. Don't have any breaks. If you're going to do 2 times a week, stick to that. If you're going to do 3 times a week, really try to stick to that, because YouTube wants to see you consistent and it wants to see you that you're taking care of your audience. If you're going to take a break in between, YouTube is probably not going to like it. And when you start to produce videos again, it might take a while for the algorithm and for YouTube to pick up on it and to trust you again to start promoting it to more people. With that being said, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully you're able to take some kind of knowledge from here and implement it into creating a YouTube video or trying to satisfy those requirements of the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so a lot more people can see this. And if you're interested in my type of channel, the Make Money Online, especially with KDP and self-publishing, feel free to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.